In this episode, we're going to show you an eco-friendly way to smother grass and weeds in your garden. We're here to demonstrate this simple yet effective method using cardboard. First, we gathered large pieces of cardboard. You can often find these for free from local stores or recycling centers. It's a sustainable way to repurpose cardboard. We purposely lay the cardboard over the unwanted vegetation, whether it be grass, unwanted plants, or weeds, making sure there are no gaps for sunlight to penetrate. We adjust the cardboard to cover all areas. The cardboard will act as a barrier, blocking sunlight and preventing the grass and weeds from getting the energy they need to grow. We'll leave this cardboard in place to do its job. During this period, you can add mulch or compost on top for added benefits. In this situation, we added landscaping cover because of the water line easement. The utility company needs access to the water line under this area in case of emergencies or maintenance. Therefore, we cannot plant anything in the ground in this part of the yard. And there you have it. A simple, natural way to smother grass and weeds without the need for harmful chemicals. Plus, you're recycling cardboard in the process. So, the next time you're looking to transform your garden, gather your friends or family and try this cardboard smothering technique. It's a sustainable, teamwork-driven approach that benefits both your garden and the environment. Together, we can create beautiful, weed-free spaces while minimizing our impact on the planet. Happy gardening! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode.